Hey guys, so we're gonna make this soup today that I call, well, I didn't really call it anything, I just invented it. So it's gonna be called the cream of ramen. And of course, as you can see, we're gonna start with the ramen noodles the box that I purchased at Costco. I mean, most of the stuff I buy at Costco, but this is it. Asha Tainan noodle. So at Costco, I purchased this bag of shiitake mushrooms. It's kind of like a dried, pre-cooked mushroom snack. They come pre-seasoned and everything. They're good for munching, but it's also actually pretty interesting when you throw them into the hot water. So they look like that, and you pretty much boil them until they get soft, and you have your shiitake mushrooms. It's quite interesting taste, and I came up with it myself. Nobody could. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna boil some shiitake mushrooms. If you watched our previous video, we made a sauce reduction from the chicken that we cooked, and today we have some leftovers, so we're going to use this mass here, this it's just chilled sauce, and put it into that bowl with mushrooms and let it boil with it because it has some really good flavor, and we're gonna use it in today's soup. So yeah, I forgot to record this. I messed up on this video. Like I cut the video before I actually managed to record all the voiceovers. So now I'm like, it's really difficult for me to keep up with what the fuck's happening in the movie, so to speak, with my comments. So whatever, so you saw me open the package and you saw what's inside. It's basically this asha noodles that I bought at Costco. So now I'm boiling the mushrooms and checking if they're soft enough yet. And it takes them a few minutes for the mushrooms to actually soften up and get filled with water and become tasty and chewy. I mean, and this is as the meat substitute. I put a little spam into the soup. So this is how I do it. I just cut it into small cubes. This is a big enough chunk, like too big of a chunk, so I'm gonna just split it in half. Don't need much of it. It's very flavorful and pretty fatty, so just a little piece, and you just cut it into slices like that at first, and then we're gonna split it and cut it into cubes, just like that. Guide with your knuckles. Don't stick your fingers under the knife. You can never get tired of repeating it. All right, that's about it. That's all the spam you need for this. Somebody actually mentioned, one of my friends on Facebook mentioned that it's also good with tofu. I haven't tried with tofu. I don't think I have any tofu, but I'll try it one day. But for now, we have it. We have it. It's whatever in my pantry, so I used spam. So now we're gonna load it into our brew, into our soup. Carefully like that, and let it cook. Next thing is the egg. Egg is very important. So I'm just gonna crack the egg, drop it into the boiling mixture, and let it coagulate. It basically needs to harden a little bit before I can put in the pasta. Now I'm putting in the noodles. Carefully not to break the egg because the egg is still kind of floaty. Alright, so yeah, I'm putting it in carefully because don't want to break the egg because the egg is a little bit too soft yet still. So, but eventually it's going to get soaked with water and get soft, as you can see now. So yeah, it's cooking. What's cooking is cooking. Now I'm going to add some cream, heavy whipping cream, just to give it that the cream flavor and the consistency. So just a couple of tablespoons. And because I don't want it to be too rich, the rest I'm going to just add reduced fat milk, so it's liquidy, but it's not too heavy. And let's just mix it a little bit and flip that egg so that the top starts cooking. And we're almost ready. Now let's cut some onions, something to dress it with. Yeah, we're gonna cut it sideways because we're fancy that way. Yeah. If you cut it sideways, you're practically a pro. And we're gonna cut some sweet peas. And I cut them like a long length because it looks cool. And they really taste good. They're nice and sweet and kind of crunchy. They're just like any kind of Asian scented meal, they're perfect for. And let's whoever decided to serve it. It's looking great. Mushrooms stuck in there. Nothing goes to waste. And let's dress it with green onions. And the peas. And let's put this the sauce that it came with. Some people will say, oh, it's a lot of sodium. It doesn't matter. It tastes good. Let's put it in. All right. Now we're just going to mix it up a little. Look at this. See, it looks so good, so tender, and just creamy, and it's like delicious. Look at that. The taste is very good. Amazing. Excellent. Okay. Time to eat.